Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is creation, and I think this is actually a double blessing. Not only are you a completely new creation, but you are creating something new in the earth that not only I need and the world needs, and we love you for it. So continue to grow, continue to transform, continue to build on whatever creation that you're doing, your practice, your new job, your new hobby. Make sure that you continue because you're in the right energy to actually make a flawless, pure, not only new self, but also new hobby, new financial abundance. You're in the creation stage, new invention, whatever you're doing, continue to do it. I have the power to direct my life with a constructive attitude and a humble heart. I create what is best for my soul. I firmly believe I can transform and improve my inner and outer worlds by turning every thought to affirmative action, actually doing that, making sure that I'm intentional. I act in the image of God and I bring light into my life. I do not stop until I find that my creation is built. Have a teachable spirit, a humble heart, and watch how your life and all the beauty that you create comes to life. Love one another, be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.